Hi, welcome to Main and 5W channel. So today's Tech Bytes will speak about Sixth Sense technology. Now, Sixth Sense technology is based on interaction of the physical world with digital information. Okay, and this is going to really bring a revolution in the field of technology for many great innovations. Now, we spoke about the augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality in another session. Now here we're going to really look at like how Sixth Sense technology is slightly different from them, but it can superimpose and understand those technologies in this particular area. So Sixth Sense technology will use a wearable gesture interface to augment the physical world. Okay, it allows you to make the use of hand gestures for a particular set of tasks. So the wearable device used to act as a gestural interface and will integrate the real world with digital information. So that's in simple words about the Sixth Sense technology. So this can bring a great digital revolution. So we are speaking about digital transformation, customer experience. So this is going to be one of the most watched technology. It can be used in multiple ways, and the sky is the limit on how we want to really make use of these technologies, like performing basic actions, locating points on a map, okay, calling someone directly without picking up the phone, blah blah blah. So gesture recognition is part of augmented reality, which forms one of the primary basis of Sixth Sense technology. It interpreting human gestures through programs, codes, and mathematical algorithm. The first person who actually make a device based on this was a Steve Mann, Stevemann. He developed a wearable computing device in 1990 when he was a student at the Media Lab. Okay, he implemented that, and actually the concept was further developed by one of I think my favorite, Pranav Mistry, a research associate and a PhD candidate at MIT, who currently is the head of the think tank team and vice president of research at Samsung Research America. So many devices have been developed based on the Sixth Sense technology. One such example is Wear Your World, WUW. Okay. Now, the device was given the name Wear Your World due to its design and process of functioning. It involved the principle of gestures recognition to understand the gesture capability by the input device. Nowadays, what happens is WUW is simply referred to as Sixth Sense technology. And if you could see that Pranav Mistry has also published a beta software written in C++ and C# language. It's also part of the Google Code project. It's also commissioned project named WUW. You could also see that there is ubiquitous computing is a form of computing that involves greater use of computers and technological device that is start affecting all actions and tasks performed by individuals. So Sixth Sense may pave the way for such form of technology. So what AR does, it involves interaction of digital information and visual displays with the physical world through phones and smart devices. So this concept is implemented by the device by integrating the real world environment with the informations and visuals. So where do you think this can be utilized? There are a lot of places you can see, like for example, if you want to make a call. So using this technology, there is no need to physically make out the phone to make a call. Using Sixth Sense, you can see this YouTube video by Pranav Mistry where there is a lot of demonstration on this. It's a good place to watch. But one can make another call in a swift and convenient manner. The number pad is displayed on any surface the user wants. The user can position the fingers on the displayed number. The device automatically understands the numbers user is signaling and dials. Okay. If you want to search the map, the function can be used to plot a course, search for places, locate the most viable path. It can be used for taking a picture. Okay. And it can be used to clock multimedia reading experience. So checking emails, user can check email by gesturing at the rate sign. So you can see that by using gesture technology, you can actually automate a lot of. So one of the wonderful thing about this is when you're talking about a natural programming or natural interface, right? Basically what we're telling is technology should not be having something, but it's like very practical way of user interface is something you can implement through Sixth Sense technology. Of course, there are some challenges as the device is small, it's portable, it supports multiple touches, multiple user communications. So you really need to have an adequate vision-based gesture recognition algorithm, which it becomes the most demanding part of the device. Okay, there is many obstacles in working of the device, precision and usefulness of the gesture recognition software, which is also coming up. Programming code is also very specific to a particular device. There may be trouble in executing on the other devices. That's another thing which you're looking at. The problem with actually, if you look at from the vision algorithm perspective for gesture recognition, can be rectified by integrating your artificial intelligence with the device. Okay, this could help recognize the human signals much more efficiently. So in conclusion, Sixth Sense is the science of the future, potential for the new era in the field of technology. Technology could truly change the way humans interact in the future. And Sixth Sense is really going to be one of the key technology for all of us to watch for. Thank you.